Have you ever walked into a room and felt like something was missing, like the space lacked that certain? Often the culprit is staring right back at you, plain, lifeless walls. These blank canvases, while seemingly inoffensive, can actually drain the energy from a room, leaving it feeling cold and uninspired. The good news is that transforming these bland surfaces into captivating focal points is easier than you might think. By incorporating simple architectural details, you can inject personality and depth, taking your space from drab to fab without breaking the bank. Think of it like adding the right accessories to an outfit, a statement necklace, a chic scarf. Suddenly, the entire look comes alive. These upgrades don't require a complete overhaul or a hefty budget. With a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can achieve a dramatic transformation that reflects your personal style and makes your house feel like a home. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to add architectural interest to your walls is with wainscoting. This classic design element has been used for centuries to enhance the beauty and functionality of interiors. Originally, wainscoting was used to protect walls from damage and to provide insulation, but today, it serves primarily as a decorative feature that can transform any room. This classic design element instantly elevates a space, bringing a touch of timeless elegance and sophistication. Whether you're aiming for a traditional look or a more contemporary feel, wainscoting can be tailored to suit your style. It adds depth and texture to walls, making rooms feel more inviting and well-crafted. Imagine the cozy charm of a traditional library, or the refined air of a grand dining room. Wainscoting can recreate those vibes in your own home. Picture yourself in a cozy nook, surrounded by books, with the warm, rich tones of wainscoting enveloping you. Or, envision a grand dining room where wainscoting adds a layer of sophistication, making every meal feel like a special occasion. But don't let its classic roots fool you. Wainscoting is incredibly versatile. It can be adapted to fit a variety of design aesthetics from modern to rustic. In a modern home, sleek and simple wainscoting designs can add a touch of minimalistic elegance. In a rustic setting, more intricate and textured wainscoting can enhance the cozy, lived-in feel. From traditional raised panels to sleek and modern board and batten styles, there's a wainscoting design to complement any aesthetic. Raised panel wainscoting offers a classic formal look, perfect for dining rooms and entryways. Board and batten wainscoting, on the other hand, provides a more casual, contemporary feel, ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. You can choose to cover the entire wall or opt for a chair rail height, creating a visual break that adds dimension without overwhelming the space. Full wall wainscoting can make a bold statement, while chair rail height wainscoting offers a more subtle yet equally impactful design choice. This flexibility allows you to customize the look to fit your specific needs and preferences. And the best part? Wainscoting is surprisingly budget-friendly, with materials like medium-density fiberboard costing as little as $2 to $5 per square foot. This makes it an accessible option for homeowners looking for a high-impact upgrade without the high-end price tag. You don't have to sacrifice style for affordability. This makes it an accessible option for homeowners looking for a high-impact upgrade without the high-end price tag. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can install wainscoting yourself, saving on labor costs and making the project even more affordable. So, whether you're renovating an entire home or just looking to refresh a single room, wainscoting offers a versatile, stylish, and budget-friendly solution that can transform your space. If you're looking to infuse your space with a touch of grandeur, look no further than crown molding. This architectural detail, typically installed where the wall meets the ceiling, adds instant polish and sophistication. It's like adding a delicate tiara to a room, instantly elevating its elegance and charm. Crown molding comes in a variety of styles, from simple and understated to ornate and elaborate. You can choose a design that complements your existing trim, or opt for a contrasting style to create a bold statement. No matter your choice, crown molding adds a layer of visual interest that draws the eye upward, making the room feel larger and more spacious. And while crown molding may evoke images of opulent mansions, it's a surprisingly affordable upgrade for any homeowner. Prices typically range from $1 to $7 per linear foot, depending on the complexity of the design and the materials used. Section 4, the accent wall. Bold statements, easy application. Sometimes all it takes to transform a room is a single statement wall. This simple yet impactful design choice can completely change the ambiance of a space, making it feel more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're looking to refresh a tired room or add a touch of sophistication, an accent wall is a versatile solution that can be tailored to fit any style or preference. Enter the accent wall, a simple yet powerful design technique that injects personality and drama without overwhelming the space. By focusing on just one wall, you can create a striking visual effect that draws attention and adds depth to the room. This approach allows you to experiment with bold colors, patterns, and textures without the risk of overpowering the entire space. Imagine a vibrant splash of color energizing a neutral living room. This pop of color can serve as a focal point, drawing the eye and creating a sense of balance within the room. Whether you choose a bright, bold hue or a more subdued shade, the accent wall can set the tone for the entire space, making it feel more cohesive and intentional. Or a textured wallpaper adding depth and intrigue to a bedroom. Textured wallpapers come in a variety of designs, from subtle patterns to more elaborate motifs, allowing you to create a unique and personalized look. The added texture can also enhance the tactile experience of the room, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. The beauty of an accent wall lies in its versatility. It can be adapted to suit any room, from the living room to the bedroom, the kitchen to the bathroom. No matter the size or layout of the space, an accent wall can add a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it feel more polished and complete. You can opt for a bold, saturated hue that contrasts with the other walls, creating a focal point that draws the eye. This approach works particularly well in larger rooms where a single wall can serve as a dramatic backdrop for furniture and decor. The contrast between the accent wall and the surrounding walls can also create a sense of depth and dimension, making the room feel more spacious and open. Or you can choose a more subtle approach using a slightly darker or lighter shade of the same color family for a cohesive and calming effect. This technique is ideal for smaller rooms or spaces where you want to create a sense of harmony and continuity. The subtle variation in color can add interest and depth without overwhelming the senses, making the room feel more serene and balanced. Wallpaper is another fantastic option for creating an accent wall that wows. With an endless array of designs to choose from, you can find a wallpaper that perfectly matches your style and personality. From classic florals to modern geometrics, the right wallpaper can transform a plain wall into a stunning work of art. From intricate patterns to bold geometrics, there's a wallpaper designed to suit every style and personality. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more eclectic, the right wallpaper can add a touch of sophistication and flair to any room. And with so many options available, you can easily find a design that complements your existing decor and enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. And with removable wallpaper options readily available, you can experiment with different looks without the commitment of traditional wallpaper. This makes it easy to change up your decor whenever you feel like it, allowing you to keep your space fresh and exciting. Removable wallpaper is also a great option for renters, as it can be easily removed without damaging the walls. The cost of an accent wall can range from $30 to $100, depending on your chosen paint or wallpaper. This makes it an affordable way to update your home and add a touch of style without breaking the bank. Whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, an accent wall is a cost-effective way to make a big impact in any room. Section 5. Shelving and artwork depth and personality. While architectural details like wainscoting and crown molding provide a stunning backdrop, they are just the beginning of what can make a space truly special. These elements set the stage, but it's the personal touches that breathe life into a room. It's the personal touches that truly make a house a home. These touches reflect your personality, your history, and your tastes, turning a generic space into a unique sanctuary. Incorporating shelving and artwork into your design is a fantastic way to add depth, personality, and visual interest to your walls. Shelves and artwork are not just functional, they are expressive elements that can transform the ambiance of a room. Imagine a collection of beloved books displayed on floating shelves. These shelves can be a focal point, drawing the eye and inviting guests to explore your literary world. They add a touch of warmth and character to your living room, making it feel cozy and lived in. Adding a touch of warmth and character to your living room, these shelves can also be a conversation starter. Each book, each item on the shelf, tells a story about who you are and what you love. Or, picture a gallery wall of family photos and cherished artwork. This gallery wall can be a dynamic and evolving display, transforming a blank wall into a visual story of your life. Each photo, each piece of art, is a chapter in your personal narrative, Transforming a blank wall into a visual story of your life, a gallery wall can be a source of joy and nostalgia. It's a place where memories are celebrated and new ones are made. Shelves not only provide valuable storage space but also create visual layers that break up large wall expanses. They can be used to display a variety of items, from books and plants to collectibles and art pieces, adding layers of interest and functionality. You can opt for sleek, minimalist shelves for a modern look. These shelves can blend seamlessly with contemporary decor, providing a clean and uncluttered appearance while still offering space for display and storage. Or choose rustic, reclaimed wood for a touch of farmhouse charm. These shelves bring a sense of history and character, making your space feel warm and inviting. Similarly, artwork adds personality and color to your space. It reflects your unique tastes and interests, turning your walls into a canvas that tells your story. Reflecting your unique tastes and interests, artwork can be a powerful form of self-expression. Whether you choose bold, vibrant pieces or subtle, understated works, your art collection speaks volumes about who you are. Experiment with different sizes, framing styles, and arrangements to create a gallery wall that feels curated and personal. Mix and match frames, play with spacing, and don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. To create a gallery wall that feels curated and personal, consider the story you want to tell. Each piece should contribute to the overall narrative, creating a cohesive and meaningful display. This can be done for an average cost of $50 to $200 depending on your choices. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can achieve a stunning look without breaking the bank. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer to shop for ready-made pieces, there are countless ways to personalize your home on a budget. The key is to choose items that resonate with you and reflect your personal style. The transformation can be truly impactful. With thoughtful choices and a bit of effort, you can turn any space into a reflection of your personality and taste, making it a place where you feel truly at home.